Hello everyone. In this class I will tell you how to find the equation of median of a triangle ABC. So look at the example. We have to find out the equation of median AD of a triangle ABC where the vertices of triangle ABCs are given A1, minus 1, 3, B 2, 3 and C 6, 7. So first of all understand the meaning of the median. Okay, so if we draw the triangle ABC, let's say ABC, all the three vertices are given. We have to find out the equation of median AD. Okay, so we will draw the median line from the vertex A. Okay, so median means is nothing but the line which divides the triangle into equal area. Okay, so let's say the point D is here. Okay, so both the part this and this, both the parts are exactly same. Okay, median divides the triangle into same parts. What does that mean? That means this D is nothing but the midpoint of this line BC. Okay, so D is here midpoint and we have to find out the equation of median AD. So this AD is nothing but a straight line. So how to find the equation of a straight line, that we have seen in the previous class. Okay, so to find out the equation of straight line, so one point is already given, the line AD is passing through the point A, but we don't know the coordinate of the point D. Okay, but we know that this D is nothing but the midpoint of the BC line. So our solution will start from midpoint formula. Okay, so to find out the point D, D is nothing but D is equal to midpoint of BC. So what is the midpoint formula? The midpoint formula is very simple: x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what is x1, y1, x2, y2 in this case? Since D is a midpoint of BC line, so let's say B point is x1, y1 and C point is x2, y2. So if we substitute the value x1 plus x2, so x1 is 2, x2 is 6, so 2 plus 6 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2, so y1 is 1, 3, y2 is 7, so 3 plus 7 whole divided by 2. So 2 plus 6 which is 8 upon 2, comma 3 plus 7 which is 10 upon 2. So coordinate will get 8 by 2 which is 4, 10 by 2 which is 5. So our D coordinate is nothing but 4, 5. So our first part is done. We got the point D. Now come to the main question. We have to find out what? We have to find out equation of median AD. So just look at the AD line only. A point is minus 1, 3 and D point is 4, 5. So this median is nothing but a one straight line, and to find out the equation of the straight line, whenever two points are given, we have this point slope formula which is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So we required the slope in that. Okay, so 2 points are given, we can easily find out the slope by using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we know the 2 points, so let's consider A point is x1 y1 and D point is x2 y2. Substitute the value, so y2 minus y1, y2 is 5 minus y1 is 3 divided by x2 minus x1, x2 is 4 minus x1 is here minus 1, so inside the bracket minus 1. So in the numerator 5 minus 3 which is 2 divided by here minus getting plus, so 4 plus 1 which is 5. So we got our slope value which is 2 upon 5. Now we'll substitute the value in the point slope form equation. So y minus y1, so what is the value of y1? 3 is equal to slope is 2 upon 5 into x minus x1, so x1 value is here minus 1, so we'll put minus 1 inside the bracket. So if we take this 5 into the cross multiplication here, we will get 5 multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by x, this minus become plus 1. Next step, multiply this 5 inside. So we'll get 5 into y, 5y minus 5 into 315 is equal to 2 into x, which is 2x, plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So if you take this both the term into left hand side, you will get 5y minus 15 minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you write down in the order minus 2x then plus 5y, so minus 15 minus 2, which is minus 17, is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of median AD. Okay, look at one more example. So the next question is, find the equation of a median CD, okay, of a triangle ABC with the vertices are given ABC. So now the question is, we have to find out the equation of median C to D. Okay, so C point is here, C vertex. So we'll draw the line from the point C. So it will look like this. It cuts AB line into two equal half. Okay, so D point will come here. So CD is a median, so it cuts the full triangle into two equal part. That means this D is a midpoint. But now this D is a midpoint of which line? D is a midpoint is on AB side. Okay, so we'll start with the midpoint formula first. Okay, we have to find out the equation of this line C to D. So C point we know, but to find out the slope we required the point D as well. So D is equal to midpoint of which line? AB line. So midpoint formula is simple, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what is x1 y1 x2 y2? So D is a midpoint of AB line, so A point is x1 y1 and B point is, let's take x2 y2. So if we substitute here x1 plus x2, x1 is 5 plus x2 is 3 upon 2 comma y1 is minus 2 plus y2 is minus 4 whole divided by 2. Then 5 plus 3, which is 8 by 2 comma minus 1 minus 2 minus plus getting minus, so minus 2 minus 4, which is minus 6 by 2. 8 by 2, which is 4 comma minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. So our midpoint D point is nothing but 4 comma minus 3. Okay, now back to the main question. We have to find out equation of what? Median CD. So look at the CD line only. So the line CD we have, C point is 1 comma 4 and D point we have 4 comma minus 3. So we have 2 points and we have to find out the equation of this line. So we'll use the formula point slope form. So first of all, let's find out the slope of this line. So M is equal to, so let's consider this point is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. So slope formula we have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is minus 3 minus y1 is 4 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 4 minus x1 is 1. So minus 3 minus 4, which is minus 7 divided by 4 minus 1, which is 3. Okay, so our slope value is minus 7 by 3. Here you can consider any point as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, it will be the same answer. Now let's apply the formula, main thing, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 value is nothing but 4 is equal to slope we are getting minus 7 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 is here 1. So if we take this 3 in the cross multiplication here, we will get 3 inside the bracket y minus 4 is equal to minus 7 inside the bracket x minus 1. So if we multiply 3 inside, we will get 3y minus 3 into 4, which is 12, is equal to minus 7 into x, which is minus 7x. Then minus minus getting plus, 7 into 1 7. Take both the term into left hand side. So 3y minus 12 plus 7x minus 7 is equal to 0. So if we arrange in the order, we'll get 7x plus 3y minus 12 minus 7, which is minus 19, is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of median CD line. So this is a practice question for you. You have to find out the equation of BD line now. Okay. Of a triangle ABC, vertices are given. So follow the same step, find out the answer of equation of median BD and comment your answer in the comment section. Thank you.